Hey guys, I have a Fashom box to share today. This is a relatively new company and it's my first time trying them. They're similar to Stitch Fix, but there's a few differences. They have a styling fee that's $15 instead of $20, and also if you sign up with them, your first 2 months the styling fee is waived. When your box is styled, they send you an email letting you know that it's ready, and you get to choose which 5 items you want to receive out of, I think there's 8 options. And the best part is you get a 25% discount if you keep at least 3 items. And you know, with Stitch Fix, you have to keep all 5. So I know what's in here, or I think I know what's in here, because I chose which 5 I wanted. So you get your envelope, Oliver's in and out, you can kind of see. You gonna help me, Oliver? Okay. They have something with trend recommendations. I don't think that's what's in my box. Okay, here's the 5 items that I selected. Okay, so here's my bundle. Oh, and the mailer. Send back what you don't want. It's free shipping both ways. Let's see. Looks nice. Ooh. Okay. I know you want the paper. Ooh, this is bright colors. Looks a little short. It's a wrap top. It's got like a little tie. It's very summery, but I don't mind that because it's warm where I live most of the year. We get a little bit of cold weather, but not like up north. That is very cute. Ooh, and this is prettier than it was in the picture. I really like that floral print. It's just a V-neck. It's got a little band around the bottom. It's cute. You just eating the paper? Okay. This, let's see, I thought it was navy. It might be black. Oh wait, this seems a little different. Sometimes I know they might change things up, but this seems a little different from what I remember. But that's cute. It's a cute print. It's got a tassel, a little tie, 3/4 length sleeves, which I love. Okay, and then this one. Okay, this is definitely different from what I selected, but it's cute. I like it. I love stripes. I like the V-neck. It's long sleeves. Yeah, because the one that was similar that I selected had a dolman sleeve, and I think it was like 3/4 length sleeve. So, okay, that's cute. And then some jeans. Oh, okay, it's the 1822 brand. And they look little. They're a size 4. And I hope they'll fit, but I think in this brand I might need a 6. So we'll see. They have a little bit of distressing. I like the wash. And a little bit of a roll hem at the bottom. Okay, well those are cute. Okay, we'll try them. Okay, I have the first 2 items in. This is the Ruffle cuff sleeve printed top in size small. It's $32. And the jeans are by 1822. They're size 4 and they actually do fit, so they didn't run too small. And I like that the rise is not real low. I mean, it comes up all the way to my waist. And they're $40. They came rolled like this, so they look a little short on me like this, but let's see, I think I could roll them down. Oh yeah, I could just roll them down and wear them like this. Yeah, that looks better. Okay, and I like this top, it's so soft. The sleeves are really cute. I love the little ruffle detail. And I wasn't sure if I was gonna like the band around the bottom, but it actually looks cute with the jeans because it's kind of the same glue. Are you eating my paper again? Oliver, don't eat my paper. paper. I know you love paper. I have to have that. Okay. And so that's cute. I like both of these items. And not bad prices either, especially if I get the 25% discount. Okay, this is the second item. The short sleeve V-wrap top, size small. It's $30. And it's a little short. I'm not used to wearing things that come like almost to the top of my jeans, but the print is really cute. It is kind of open, so I might need to wear a cami under it. I like the little tie. I like the sleeves, that it's got like an actual short sleeve and not a cap sleeve. But this is a maybe. I'm not sure. Okay, this is the next top. It's a sweater. The tag says Evolution. It's not actually on my paper because the dolman top that I'd selected, it says replaced with a similar item. This says $30, so I guess this is still $30 even though the tag says $86, so it would be a really good deal. I like the stripes. It's just white and navy. It's got a cute shape. I like the V-neck. So this is a definite possibility, especially if I'm getting 3 items to get 25% off. Okay, this is the last top. It's another item that was replaced, so I don't have the information on it, but it says $30 on here, so I guess that's what the price would be, and the tag says rose and olive. It fits nicely. I love the 3/4 sleeves. I'm not a huge fan of this black and caramel color together with the band around the bottom, and I know everybody is wearing tassels, but I don't really like tassels either. I would probably cut these off if I kept it, but it's a cute neckline with a little tie. So tell me what y'all think. I really like these jeans. I'm definitely keeping the jeans. I like the sweater, so I'll probably keep that. I also really like this top, so that's 3 items right there. But let me know in the comments, if you don't mind, what your favorites are, what you think I should send back, what you think I should keep. I don't think I'm going to keep this one. It's kind of short. So, and this, maybe. I haven't decided. I need your help. Okay, that was a lot of fun. I'm very impressed with this company. The quality of the clothes is really good. The prices are great. The 25% discount is great. So I'm definitely looking forward to getting another box. And if you want to try Fashom, I'll have a link below. If you use my referral link, I think you get $20 credit off your first box also. So that'd be great. And I would get $20 credit. I think that's the way it works. So thanks for watching today. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you liked this video, hit the thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching.